So the next one that we're going to do is the graded wash, okay? And what graded wash means is we have a fade from light to dark, okay? Or vice versa, from dark to light. Yes. Okay, you can get it while I'm talking. Okay, so for the graded wash, I want you guys to watch what I'm going to do, okay? That means you need to stop and put your eyes on me, or really your eyes on the screen. When we do a graded wash, and I'm going to kind of tilt this so it's easier for me, we're actually going to use our water. And we are going to fill this area with our water first so it helps our ink move more fluid. So I think you should probably watch me. You can wait a second. You don't have to do it with me. Just kind of watch what I'm doing. And it's going to be hard for you to see that I'm filling this because, you know, it's clear. But I'm very carefully filling this with water, so I'm getting a nice base of water in here. And you can see the reflection. If I have an area that has too much water, I can come in here and kind of soak it back up with a dry brush, which is what I'm doing. So it's all nice and wet, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into my 5 with my brush, and I'm going to come right over here into the 5 area. I'm going to fill it in, and then I'm going to start smoothing it to the left.
While it gets lighter?
Yep. And as I smooth it to the left, now watch what I'm going to do. When I get to about here, I actually wipe some of this ink off my brush so it's dry, and then I start to continue to pull it over to the left. Okay? Yeah. In order to get it blend, I had to wipe it. Now it's not as much of a blend as I would want, so I can come in here with a little bit of 4.
Huh, she did something wrong.
No, it's literally all spreaded. It's like everywhere.
And as I pull it, see how it kind of fades? I have less and less ink. And I just go back and forth. And I dry my brush, and I use a dry brush to pull my ink around back and forth. If I want to darken this end, I can come in here and I can add more to darken it.
Like the ink is moving whenever I tap it on.
That's right, it does move. So I have my dark ink to about here. I am drying my brush off, and then I'm using a dry brush to continue to pull it to the left. And then I have a graded wash, okay? It's a nice value change.